Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Spring 2021 Jiyubox unboxing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to get this box. I've seen so many great things about this box and I've been wanting to get it ever since I saw it. So I am so excited to have it now. If you're not familiar with Jiyubox, it's a seasonal clean indie beauty subscription box, which I love trying out indie beauty brands. So like those smaller brands that maybe I haven't heard of, I love trying out new brands to me. And this company is amazing. So Jiyu means freedom in Japanese. So the box stands for the freedom to explore and enjoy our lives while also living a life free from toxins, fillers, and animal cruelty. So I love that. Each box features 4 to 6 full-size, clean and cruelty-free beauty and wellness products. The boxes retail for $59.99 if you just get a seasonal subscription, or if you do the annual, it's $55.99, or a one-time is $69.99. But you can actually get 10% off with my code. It's Christy10, so I'll have that also in the description down below if you're interested in subscribing. And this spring box is available until April 31st or until it's sold out, and it usually does sell out. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe right away. And without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. And so sweet that she sent me a personal note. So thank you so much to Jessica and Jiyubox for sending me this box for free. I like to always give the disclaimer when a box is sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. I am just so excited about this box and so excited about this brand. So I can't wait to share with you what's inside. Ooh, and there's product information. I love when a box includes product information. And it is so beautifully packaged. So let's start here. Ooh, something smells really good. So the first product here, oh, I think this is what smells really good because something smelled like orange. So this is from the brand Nude Crude. It's energizing sweet orange body cleansing shower powder. That is a very unique type of product. I've never heard of a shower powder. It says for bright, glowing skin. It sounds really easy to use. I think, yeah, all of the powder is just right in here. So it says you just pour approximately a teaspoon of the body cleansing powder into your hands and work it into a lather with water. This actually came at the perfect time. I can put this into my shower right away because I've just about finished up my current body wash. So I'm gonna start using this. And it smells like orange, but it smells almost like a little bit like a creamsicle. So, oh, I love this smell. So it says it's environmentally sustainable, vegan and cruelty-free, ethically sourced and packaged, non-toxic ingredients. I love that. It says 40 plus washes in here. Oh, and it has a retail value of $12. I mean, that's not super cheap, but that's also reasonably priced for a product like this. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Yay! My first product is awesome. The next product I'm gonna pull out is from the brand Lily, Organic Skin and Hair Care, 100% organic multi-oil hair treatment. I love a hair oil. This has a retail value of $20. And there's actually some very interesting ways to use this that I would not have thought of. It says you can use it as a mask by massaging a spoonful of warmed up oil into the scalp and let it sit for 30 minutes. I should really try that. Or use it in the shower by adding 2 to 3 pumps into your conditioner and leaving it in for 2 minutes. Oh my gosh, I love that idea. I'm gonna put this into my shower too so that I can mix it in with my conditioner. I'm so excited about that. Next is a product from the brand Eluo, 100% natural facial polish. Ooh, for sensitive skin, calms redness and soothes dry irritation, gently exfoliates and cleanses impurities. Well, that sounds perfect for me, and the redness in my skin and how I love exfoliators. And very cute, unique looking packaging. Oh, I think this is also a powder. It's made with 100% plant-based and natural ingredients. This is so cool. It's the Forma Flores face mask with a retail value of $45. This seriously sounds so perfect for my skin because it's supposed to soothe redness, and that's one of my main skin concerns. And this is a very unique type of product because it's a powder. That's what I love about this Jiyubox. Seriously, every product I've pulled out so far is a product that I haven't tried out before or tried out in the form that it comes in. And I remember when I would see Jiyubox's unboxings in the past, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe like how innovative and unique those products are. They were products that I had never even heard of or types of products that I had tried before. So that's what really intrigued me about this beauty box, because not only is it indie brand, cruelty-free, which I love, but it's really unique products that I would never find on my own or think to try, you know? So I love that. I think that makes for the best type of subscription box when it introduces you to truly new products that you didn't even realize you needed, but you do. So next we have Vital Serum from East 29th. Hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, lemon rind extract, vitamin C and E. Ooh, I actually am going to be needing a new serum soon too. So this also came at the perfect time. Wow, this retails for $69. So you get really great retail value in this box. I'll add up all of my retails at the end. This is supposed to help improve hydration, texture, and tone, while also firming and promoting elasticity and smoothing wrinkles. Well, that just sounds like everything you want in a serum. Oh good, and you can use it in the morning and at night. So I definitely could work this into my skincare routine. And then the last product is in this cute little bag. Ooh, a really nice scrunchie from the brand Maya. I love scrunchies. I love silk scrunchies as well. Dexter though, my puppy, always steals them right out of my hair. So I have to make sure that he doesn't try and get this one and ruin it. So the Satin Scrunchie by Maya and Jiyubox collab retails for $8. Oh, it's their very first collab. That is so exciting. Oh, and the scrunchies are made from leftover fabric cut during the creation of garments, so no piece of material goes to waste. I love that. Hand produced in Canada and cruelty free. How cute. All right, I am seriously so excited about every product I got in this box. Let me do a quick recap and then I'll let you know the total retail value. So I got the Lily hair oil, the body cleansing shower powder, the facial polish, and the Vital Serum, and the scrunchie, bringing me to a total retail value of $154. And like I said, the box retails for, depending on which option you choose, $69.99 to $54.99, but then I do have that 10% off discount code, so check the description down below for that code if you are interested in subscribing, and I highly recommend it. I can't wait to start using these products. If you've used any of these products before, definitely let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below, and let me know if you're subscribed to Jiyubox. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.